Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Rupinder's online classes and courses, and today's video is designed specially for all those viewers who are very active on social media platforms. They're very active in uploading their videos on Facebook, Instagram, maybe some other such kind of social networking sites which even I'm not familiar with or I'm not active on. So what happens whenever you post a video or a photograph of yours, people comment on it, and you have to thank them all for sparing their valuable time for you, for actually appreciating your works, your pictures and whatever you involve in. And you must have find out that you always find that you have no words to thank them. Instead of saying thank you, nowadays there's a new culture that is emerging. We do have GIFs. So instead of saying thank you, we use those because we don't have words. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can thank somebody with numerous words. So what can be the different expressions of saying thank you to somebody? आप किसी को thank you कैसे बोल सकते हैं? हम सारे ही सोशल नेटवर्किंग साइट्स पे बड़े एक्टिव होते हैं, एंड वी ऑल वांट दैट देयर शुड बी सम एप्रिसिएशन फॉर अस. जैसे मुझे भी आज होगा कि वीडियो खत्म होने के बाद आप इस वीडियो के ऊपर भी बड़ा अच्छा सा कोई इनकरेजिंग इंस्पिरेशनल कमेंट करें. सो हाउ वी कैन थैंक समबडी? वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स, वेरी बेसिक ways of saying thank you are thank you very much. We use it commonly, most commonly it is used. Then thanks a lot. We usually say thank you very much, thanks a lot. Now you can replace these expressions by saying thanks a bunch or thanks a bundle. Then you can also say thanks a zillion. This is my favorite expression because once my student thanked me with this expression that ma'am, thank you very much, thanks a zillion for your invaluable inputs that you have put in our growth. So I was like, this is very close to my heart. Thanks a trillion, thanks a billion. So you can say करोड़ों बार thank you, लाखों बार thank you, हजारों बार thank you. So these are the simple expressions. And if you can say 20 persons have given you certain good comments, so you should have at least 10 to 15 or at least 10 different expressions to repay their kind gestures. So next, I am impressed. Sorry, I missed one. I really appreciate your kindness. Appreciate, I earlier when we have discussed this word, I have told you the meaning of this word. Appreciate is to praise, is to like something. So I appreciate. मैं आपकी kindness की, आपकी इतने दयालु हो आप, आपने मुझे इतना अच्छा बोला है कि I appreciate your kindness. मैं आपकी इस दयालु स्वभाव का को appreciate करता हूँ. Next is I am impressed with your kind gesture. Gestures होते हैं usually non-verbal communication aspects. अगर मैं मान लीजिए I am taking a live class and you have just entered my class, instead of saying sit down, if I am saying this is a gesture. If I'm liking something and I'm saying this is again a gesture of appreciation. So आप कह सकते हैं I am impressed with your kind gesture, that you have commented on my picture, you have extended your help to me, or you have done this work in order to help me. So I am very thankful to you. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ आपके सोशल मीडिया तक ही नहीं रहने चाहिए. मैं क्यों कह रही हूँ? बिकॉज वी आर मेंटेनिंग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग. तो बाहर तो जाके किसी के साथ किसी की इतनी हेल्प हो नहीं पा रही है या कम हो रही है, उस हिसाब से हम सोशल डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर रहे हैं. तो अगर आप किसी की हेल्प कर रहे हो या somebody is extending some help to you, तो आपको किस हिसाब से थैंक यू बोलना है? Then I am really grateful to you. Grateful का मतलब दोबारा से thank you, thankful होता है. So I am really grateful to you. मैं आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवादी हूँ. How can I thank you? How can I thank you? मतलब how beautiful it would look अगर आप किसी को ये बोलोगे how can I thank you? आपने मेरे लिए इतना कर दिया, मेरे पास तो thank you बोलने के लिए भी कोई वर्ड नहीं बचा. Again, same, simple. I have no word of praise for you. मेरे पास तो आपकी शलाघा करने के, आपको आपकी प्रशंसा करने के लिए भी कोई वर्ड्स नहीं है. आपने इतना अच्छा काम किया है. Then I am full of gratitude. This gratitude is thankfulness. This is being really thankful, thankfulness. So I am thankful. I am full of gratitude. मैं आपके लिए बहुत आभार रखता हूँ या बहुत ही ज़्यादा धन्यवादी हूँ आपका. You are really great. I am short of words. आप बहुत महान हैं, मेरे पास शब्द ही नहीं है कुछ बयां करने के. How can I repay your kindness? मैं आपके इतने दयालु स्वभाव को रीपे कैसे करूं, आपका बदला कैसे चुकाऊं. आपको दोबारा से अगर हम कोई चीज लेते हैं, इफ यू पे मी समथिंग आई हैव टू रीपे इट, तो मैं उसका बदला कैसे चुकाऊं. एंड द लास्ट वन इज आई एम ओवरवेल्म्ड. मैं बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ, बहुत खुश हूँ. या ओवरवेल्म्ड हम तभी बोलते हैं जब मैं कहूँ कि my mind is full of this thing only. So I'm overwhelmed means ki I am really impressed with your kindness. With these and many more such expressions and words or phrases, you can enhance your speaking skills, you can enhance your writing skills. The only thing is your determination. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you are your best teacher, you are your best critic. Whenever you attend any video lecture of mine, stand in front of the mirror and repeat all those sentences. This is one of the Brahmastra. Yes, one of, I won't say it is a golden tip, it is a platinum tip. Stand in front of the mirror and practice the same. You are definitely going to work wonders. You will, actually see miracles happening in your life. So, आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. With this wish that I am I'll actually face you all with very interesting video which I'm planning to make on speech sounds and how to introduce yourself. अब हमने basic sentences कर लिए हैं, present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite. अब next I will tell you on the basis of these how to introduce yourself very impressively and very confidently. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy and keep learning. And if you are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Do press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I upload a video. And your comments, your likes are definitely going to encourage my morale. They're going to inspire me to keep working hard for you all, to keep making interesting videos. So keep watching, keep encouraging, keep supporting. Happy learning.